Hello viewers, in this video I am going to explain how to design a MATLAB code for a system of fractional order ordinary differential equations in which the differential equations are defined under the Atangana-Baleanu operator in the Caputo sense. So the numerical scheme is given in this research paper. The title of the research paper is New Numerical Approximation of Fractional Derivative with Non-Local and Non-Singular Kernel Application to Chaotic Models. The research paper was written in 2017 by Professor Tawfiq and Professor Atangana. So these two professors proposed a numerical technique to solve this kind of fractional differential equation. The differential equation defined under the ABC operator, which stands for Atangana-Baleanu operator in the Caputo sense, along with an initial condition. So the numerical scheme proposed by these professors is shown in equation number 8. So this is the numerical scheme for which I have designed a MATLAB code. Now I have chosen one of the systems from this research paper randomly. So for example, there is a system given in example number 3. As you can see, the system is shown by equation number 19. So this is a system of three differential equations defined under the Atangana-Baleanu operator in the Caputo sense. So let me show you how to design a MATLAB code in order to simulate this system of ordinary differential equations. So let's go to MATLAB, and now this is the research paper's citation. You can see in line number 3 and 4, and now you can see that on line number 8 I have defined a step size to be 0.01, first value of the independent variable 0, and the initial conditions are 1, 1, 1, which are the values for the three dependent variables denoted by x, y, z. This is randomly chosen fractional order 0.998. You can choose any fractional order here, and this is the formula of ABC defined in the research paper, and this is the value of the parameter which is being used in one of the equations of our system. So these are the three differential equations given in this example number 3. Equations are F1, F2, and F3. Now you can see this for loop, which is very important, and this is what the numerical scheme is. So line number 19, 20, and 21, this is the numerical scheme for our first differential equation shown in line number 12, denoted by F1. You will repeat this with little bit a change in the variables or in the notation. We have the first dependent variable x here, now it becomes y, and here it becomes the third dependent variable z. The numerical scheme remains same. So you have to repeat the numerical scheme thrice as we have three differential equations. After writing this for loop, I was interested in finding the graph, the phase portrait, as lots of phase portraits are given in the research paper as well. So I have given the command of plot x comma z, where the x label is x and y label is z. So let's run this code, and you can see that it is going to take a little bit time because you can see that the final point of our integration interval is 100, and the step size that I have chosen is 0.01. So it is going to apply 10,000 iterations. So it is expected that after pressing the run button, it may take some time for performing the simulations since we have lots of iterations. So we will have to wait for about a minute or two to see the face portrait as I have defined. So I'm still waiting to see the picture. There we go. So this is the chaotic behavior. Such kind of pictures are also shown in the research paper. So now in this video you have learned if you are given a system of ordinary differential equations in which the differential operator is of Atangana-Baleanu type in the Caputo sense, you can easily now simulate. So if you have now any epidemiological model, any differential system in which each differential equation is carrying the fractional operator of Atangana-Baleanu type in the Caputo sense, you can now easily simulate that dynamical system using this numerical scheme that, let me tell you once again, I have taken from this research paper that was written by two professors, Professor Tawfiq and Professor Atangana. Thank you for watching.